Hello guys and welcome to my new Let's Play. It's a Ratchet Clank game once again, and this time I bring to you Ratchet Clank Nexus, or Into the Nexus if you live in the US. Actually, this is one of the few games that the name doesn't really change that much. I mean, the other ones didn't really change either, but they had future in the name, and the original ones for the PlayStation 2 didn't really even have second name. It was only Ratchet Clank 2, 3, and Gladiator, that in the US was deadlocked.
This is Stonefield coming to you live with a Polaris News Update. Tonight marks the 6-month anniversary of Nefton and Vendra Prague's violent assault on Pollux Industries. For those of you without short-term memory issues will recall how the two fraternal twins kidnapped the company's CEO, leading to the arrest of Vendra Prague. Polaris Defense Captain Talwin Apogee told reporters that Nefton's current whereabouts are still unknown. But I've just been informed Vendra is about to begin her record-breaking quintuple life sentence at the Vartax detention facility. Will she save herself by cooperating with authorities and revealing the location of her twin brother and his hostage? My guess is no. Because in this newsman's opinion, she is seriously insane.
Seems about right. Oh, and the game is installing. So what I'll do is I'll just skip to when it's 100%, right? See you in a second. And so it is complete, and now it's installing the trophies. Oh, amazing. So many installing stuff right off the bat. And with this I'm already recording for 6 minutes and it's still installing stuff. However, I think it's way faster than previous games in the series. And it's done installing all the stuff, I guess. Now it's loading. More waiting time. What now? Black screen of doom. Press start button. Oh, now that I remember, the PlayStation button, the start and select buttons are going to disappear forever. I will miss you guys. I mean, they already did in the PlayStation 4, but I still don't have it. It's not selling anywhere in where I live. I really would like to know if I'll be able to get one until the end of the year. Okay, subtitles are on. Game options. Auto aim, okay. Difficulty, legend. That's the difficulty I'm going to be playing on hard. Because I'm hardcore as hell! Okay, not really. But the last few Ratchet Clank games I actually have started playing on hard, and I didn't really have that much trouble. So, let's start on legend. And so we start the game.
Well, you were right. We must have picked up some Terra tropes when we flew through the asteroid belt. What do you think?
Ratchet?
Oh, sorry.
I believe we simply need to recouple the ion converter.
All right, let's get to it. Thanks, pal.
Incoming holocom from Apogee, Talwin. Hey, Ratchet! I can't breathe! No oxygen! Light flashing before my eyes!
I'm not listening.
Ratchet! I'm dying!
No, you're not.
Oh, fine. You know, you laughed the first time I did that.
I found it to be quite humorous.
Thanks, Clank.
Our sensors picked up some sort of rupture in the Deck 3 power grid. Everything okay?
Yeah, that was my bad. Tried to save time by piloting through an asteroid field.
We will deliver the prisoner to the Vartax Detention Center in approximately 2 hours.
Then you'd better take her out of cryosleep now. The faster you turn her over to the Vartax guards, the better.
Oh, are you worried about us?
Vendra Prague isn't like the other criminals we faced. She's cold and empty in a way I've never seen. Promise me you won't go near her without Kronk and Zephyr, okay?
We'll check in with them right now. I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it.
I miss Angela. I hope she appears in a future Ratchet Clank game.
I believe Kronk and Zephyr are still on the bridge.
10 bolts say they fell asleep again.
Wow. Whoa, you can swing the Omni wrench. Where are they? Okey-dokey. Open sesame. What? Ratchet? Whoa, whoa. What? Ratchet won't... Oh man, it's L1. Okay, I was trying to throw the wrench. I was pressing R2. I don't really remember. L2 maybe. No, it won't anymore. Hey, dude.
Oh, hello there. Now I hear you're escorting Vendra Prague to the Husgau. She's a mean space witch, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm just here picking up some contract work between toilets. A lot of stuff around here needs fixing.
Oh.
Yeah, great. Who put these here?
Look how cute they are. We should wake them up gently.
Gently, it's a word that it's not in my dictionary. Alright. We've amassed a quite good amount of bolts right now. Wake up, nigga.
Yeah, what is it? Is Tachyon back?
Morning, Kronk.
What's happening? Are we under attack?
Hey, Zeph. Sleep well?
Typical Zephyr. Always sleeping on the job.
Rise and shine, fellas. It's time to wake up Vendra Prague.
Do we have to? That space witch is bad news, I tell you.
Are we quit your whining, you darn fool? We're supposed to turn her over to the authorities. Now, come on.
Lousy space witch. Kidnapping all them terracnoids, hurting all those helpless citizens. For shame.
Wow. Amazing dialogue right here.
Did you hang back while Kronk and I wake up Vendra?
Deactivating cryosleep on prisoner 9971. Prague. Vendra. Please stand by. Error. Power fluctuation detected. Power fluctuation detected.
What's happening?
It's her! I knew this was a bad idea!
We screwed, dudes. We screwed.
Everyone okay? Where are you guys?
Up here, Rook!
Oh, I'm supposed to look up. Okay.
I see ya. Hang on, Kronk. Zeph, are you in here?
Down here.
We must find a magnetic surface for the grav boots.
Look to your right, Rook. Should be one over there.
I see it. Better get to the containment wing and make sure Vendra's locks are still engaged. You guys gonna be okay?
We'll be fine. You go ahead. Kronk and I'll work on restoring gravity.
Alright, I think I'm quite understanding what's happening here. But where's another... Okay, there's a super something. Alrighty. Give me the bolts. Ammo is full.
We will need to do something about those hydraulic locks.
Omni Blaster should take care of them. Hang on.
Okay. I've heard that this first time of the start of this game is quite awesome. So let's see if it's true. we're floating in space.
Rocky, you okay?
Yeah, we're good. I think it's safe to say Vendra's proton field is down.
I don't think we should have woken her up, Rook. What she can do, well, it's not normal.
Just get that gravity generator running. Clank and I can handle a few asteroids.
Hang on, Rook. The thrusters are in a separate system. I'll see if I can hack in and shut them down.
Well, move it.
Initiating temporary shutdown. Now! Go, Rook!
We're through.
Nice work. Okay, get ready for the next one. Initiating temporary shutdown on thruster 2. Now!
Well, sure took your time. Oh crap.
Okay, last
Shit.
thruster. You're hacking the wrong system. That's the thermodynamic propulsion matrix. Come on, F5, F5. Okay.
F5, F5. Refresh that shit.
We're clear. Thanks, guys. See? No sweat.
Give me my bolts. Okay.
Airlock secure.
Is gravity back?
Hello, Ratchet.
Zeph, she's tapped into the PA system.
But how? There's no power.
You really shouldn't have woken me up, but I'm glad you did. Now we can have some fun before you send me off to prison. Elevator power restored. Going down. Bye-bye.
Wait, what?
Now that's no fun. Oh well. I'll just have to think of a few new ways to kill you.
Am I not supposed to get off this thing? Oh wait, no. Oh crap, button, wrong button. I'm still getting used to the game, okay? No, don't judge me, please. I'm going to bet that there's nothing.
I think these maintenance bots are sleeping. Wake them up!
As I was saying, I'm going to bet there isn't any kind of secret stuff in this first level.
Containment wing unlocked. Please stand clear of the prisoner.
All dead. The way I like them.
Oh, you made it. Come on in.
We will need those battery parts in order to restore the proton field.
Do you always listen to what your little robot has to say?
Stay where we can see you, Vendra. We're just here for the proton field.
You're not afraid of little old me, are you? Not after all you've done. That seemed a bit too easy.
Oh shit! Don't you run away,
Fun.
man. Oh, you want to play tough, do ya? Uh-huh. Told you, don't you mess with me.
Proton field restored.
Good job, Rookie. Croc and I have rerouted the power to an external generator. It'd be a real help if you could activate it for us. It's outside the ship through the next airlock.
Bye, Ratchet. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Hey, I see you found a piece of the hollow plan for the Rhino 7. Oh, it's a little project of mine. I split it up into pieces to prevent it from falling into the wrong hands.
Rhino 7. Well, time sure flies.
Activating backup generator.
Excelsior! Good going, rookie. Gravity is restored.
Yay. My life is complete right now. Oh, this is that so famous scene that everyone already saw.
Sir, we are within striking distance of the Nebulorks. Fire Omni rockets on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. Whoops. Wrong button.
Ducks for less.
We're under attack. It's left in Prague. It looks like he's hired thugs for less. They're trying to spring Vendra.
We gotta get back inside the ship and stop them.
Destroy all the crates.
Airlock secure.
Wait, I think Tux for Less are coming in, aren't they? Oh wait, a new weapon. Awesome. Grenade glove. Seems about right. Yeah, but I won't equip it. Oh, what? How these guys emit sounds of pain. Just the way I like it.
You, take me to my brother. The rest of you, stay here and make sure we aren't followed.
You heard it, lady. Let's go. We're on the clock.
She's escaping.
Warning. Pyrocytic bombs detected in ship.
Okay, no biggie. Where's my ammo though? Ammo full. Not really. Oh, you failed. You should be ashamed of yourself. I should be more careful, shouldn't I? But where's my ammo? Why aren't you giving me ammo? That ain't fair. What's fair then? Okay, 10 bullets. That should come in handy.
Attention all crew aboard the Nebulok 7. This is Nefton Prague. By now you've noticed our good friends at Thugs for Less have laced your ship with pyrocytic blaster mines. Any attempt to stop us from leaving with my sister will result in immediate destruction.
I'm kinda sad because I can't use the circle button anymore.
Prague, prepare to meet your doom at the hands of Krunk and Zephyr!
Do not engage. Do you hear me? Wait for us to come back you up.
No, seriously, I'm quite sad because you can't use the circle button to shoot anymore. I think with Q-Force was something like this already. It saddens me because that's the way I started playing Ratchet Clank, and I would love them for support the circle button, because they actually do support it in the future series, even though the R1 was already being used. So yeah, he ran away. What a bastard. Could have simply jumped that way, but
Kronk and Zephyr need our assistance. We must hurry.
you don't say, Clank.
You should have brought me.
Oh, the weapon is almost leveling up. Shit, I want to see if I could level it up, but I failed to do so.
I ain't never shot a lombax.
Because I'm one of the last Lombaxes alive in this whatchamacallit, this dimension. Leveled up. Great. Full ammo. I think my mom's arriving here. I don't even know what the hell that's called in English. It's not the door, it's like, yeah, the gate. What the hell? Sometimes I say stupid things. Of course I know how to say gate in English. What the hell? Anyways, forgetting that stupid thing. Whoa, I didn't notice. I needed to jump. It's dead already? Already. It took a bit, actually. Ooh, already have almost 10k. Yeah, already have 10k. Oh great, my mom is calling me. Why the hell is she calling me? She calling me? I'm recording, Mom. Maybe it was my dad that arrived. I don't know. Yeah, my mom's calling me. Alright. Oh, Mom, I'm recording. She's calling me and she won't even come up here. Huh.
Months? You left me in here for 6 whole months?
This wasn't easy, you know. I had to bribe elected officials for the ship's location, coordinate a galaxy-wide crime wave, hire extra muscle.
You are the muscle! Or at least you're supposed to be. The universe looks at you and sees a hero. But do you know what I see? A coward. Someone who lost the guts to find his race.
Let us out of here, you darn witch!
Give me the detonator.
They're just a couple of old warbots. Isn't killing everyone a little...
A little what? Goodbye, Ratchet.
gone, Ratchet. We are not safe out here. If we do not keep moving, the thugs will kill us.
You incompetent reptiles! They're still alive!
We'll take care of them, Miss Prague. Sage, what's your status? I killed no one yet. I'm just joshing you. What you need?
Well,
Long escort ornament coming right up.
oh, I must say that this game is actually really darker than the other ones. Previous Ratchet Clank games, they wouldn't really talk about killing. I mean, in this sense, I don't know if I'm making myself understandable.
Ratchet, we are being targeted. The ship is locked onto us. Ratchet, look out!
Oh, more nanotech, great. Oh man, you hit me? Die, bastard. I think I'm supposed to go that way. Look at I like the feel that I'm getting. Look at around us. It's actually pretty nice. I like the visuals. Though I would rather have Ratchet's old design from a cracking time. He still looks a bit like the more recent games.
I missed him. Hang on, I'm coming about. He's got nowhere to go. Stand by. I'm gonna ram him.
Watch out for the ship.
Trying to ram us!
Crap. Okay. We've managed to survive.
Commander 118, what's the status?
He's space kill, sir. We got him.
Good. I'm sending coordinates to planet Eric. We have work to do.
Well, I must say I'm really enjoying the game up till now.